Okay, standard deviation. I posted this slideshow in Google Classroom like I always do. I highly recommend watching this video in that slideshow. Okay, that explains to you why we do standard deviation much better than I could. Okay, um, so really, if we have a bunch of numbers, okay, these are the steps. First, you find the mean. Now remember, mean is the average. So we add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So for this one, it's 9. Then you take the mean and each number, subtract them and square them. So the mean was 9, so I do 9 minus 9 squared. So that's 0 squared is 0. Then you do 9, this mean, minus 10, which is negative 1, and then you square it. Then you do 9 minus 11, negative 2, and then you square it. Then you do the mean minus 6, mean minus 9. Each time you square it, and then you get a whole bunch of new numbers. Add those up. In that case, it's 52. Then you find the average of that. And there were 15 numbers, so you divide by 15. This number is called the variance. Okay, it's another important number. But the number we're really trying to find is the standard deviation. So we take the square roots. Okay, and on your calculator, that's this button right here, a little like check mark. The square root of 3.47 is 1.86. So again, one more time, you find the mean. So you add all these up, divide by 15. That gives me 9. And then you do 9 minus each one of these and square each one. So, you could use this little exponent here in your calculator, or you could do, 0 times 0. Negative 1 times negative 1. This one was 9 minus 11, so that's negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, and you get 15 new numbers. Then you find the average of those. Add them up, divide by 15, and then you take the square root, and that gives you your standard deviation. So here is your classwork problems. So I wanted to do that and attach it to Google Classroom.